Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to be stuffing my side hustle income for the week. I do have an Etsy shop. I make a little bit of money from YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and then I do clean at the restaurant that I work for. So each week I kind of try and put a majority of my side hustle income towards business expenses and then just some basic savings challenges, mostly my priority savings challenges, and then my Disney binder that I am currently working on for my trip in January. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this week we did our weekly payout from Etsy, which was $85. And then I got my weekly cleaning money, which was $60. So we are working with a grand total of $145 today. So let's double check over here that we have that. So let's get to counting. We've got 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 145, everything is accounted for. So we are gonna we'll start in the business binder today. All right, so first up is AshleyMarieBudgets. I am gonna give myself $10 today. So now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 210. We are not stuffing anything towards YouTube today. I just do that one when I get my YouTube payout. Splice is currently fully funded. That should be coming out here within the next couple of weeks. And then Canva, we are going to go ahead and do $5 here today. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. And we get to color in one of the little squares here. So we have 5 squares left until this is fully funded. All right, and I said 95 here. Okay, we are not stuffing YouTube taxes because we did not get paid out from YouTube this week. For Etsy taxes, I am putting away $25. I am currently doing about 30%, and I am not gonna go ahead and count that up. So that's gonna be it for the business binder. Next up, let's work on our savings challenges. So we're gonna start off in our fall challenge. And we're gonna add $5 here today. So we've got now 20, 40, 50, 55, $60. And we get to color in one of our little leaves on this challenge. let's see, we are not doing Christmas for this one. Retirement, I am gonna add $10. So we have 500 in our Roth IRA, then that's 600, 650, 60, 70, 80, so 680. And let's see, do we have any 10 spots? We do. Right now, I'm focusing more on getting a little bit of money in there, so I didn't really check to see if we had any of the appropriate spots open. And then our emergency savings, I wanted to add $10 here. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, so 340. And I know I don't have any 10 spots available on this one, so we're just gonna put it back in here. Next up, let's see. Oh, we're not doing vacation today. There is currently $26 in there though, but we are adding $10 to pet emergency. So now for pet emergency, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. And that means we get to color in one of the little paw prints. Okay, and that's gonna be it for the savings challenges. Now on to the Disney binder. Okay. So we're gonna start with the Mickey challenge. If I can get it out. There we go. All right, so we are gonna add $5 here. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. And we do get to color in one of the little Mickeys down here. Okay, resort is fully funded, so our tickets. All right, let's see, dining. Dining, we are gonna add 25, so 25. So we've got 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 20, 40, 45, 50. So 950 for dining. And because we added $25, we get to color in the little spoon and fork over here. Making progress. I think we only have like 8 weeks till our trip. Drinks is next. And we are gonna add $10 here. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 400, 510, so 410. And because we added 10, we get to color in one of these little cute drinks down here. This is probably my most full challenge, where we literally have only 2 more rows and this one will be complete. So that's good. And remember, I am not trying to actually finish off all these challenges for Disney. I'm just kind of trying to stuff as much money as I can towards these right now. Okay, so for snacks, we are gonna add $5. And for snacks, we are at 50, 70, 90, 110, 115. And for $5, we get to color in a popcorn. All right, next up is going to be souvenirs. And for souvenirs, we are adding in $15. So we've got 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And then we have 2 $25 gift cards. So we are now at $200 for souvenirs. All right, and we added 15, so that means we get to color in one of the little mini bows. Okay, so photos. Photos, we are gonna add $5. So now we've got 20, 40, 60, 65. So let's go ahead and color this one in this week. Or wait, no, not that one. We're gonna color in the camera. Yeah, the camera. Sorry. Not paying attention over here. And last but not least is experiences. And we're adding $5 here. So now we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 25, and then we have 2 $25 gift cards. So we are at 175. And the tickets are worth $5, so we're gonna color that one in today. All right, and that is gonna be it for the Disney binder. We got to do a little bit here and there this week, which was nice. And that is gonna be it for today, guys. I hope y'all are enjoying the way I'm breaking this down. It's kind of fun to do the side hustle income each week. And hopefully as my shop gets busier, we'll be able to stuff more and more each week there. but I am so grateful for every little bit I get. Y'all have seriously just like helped my budget out, helped, like, I don't know. I'm just thankful, and I'm feeling very grateful lately for this community. And I also want to say a special thank you for everyone who has reached out. I know I haven't said too much, but I did have a family emergency last week, and y'all have just been so sweet, just sending all the well wishes. And of course, with my little cold going on here, y'all have been telling me I need to take care of myself, and I promise I am listening, and I'm doing my best to take care of me and my family. So I do just want to say thank you for sending all your warm wishes and love, and I greatly appreciate y'all. But that's going to be it for today. Make sure you come back next week, and we're going to be doing it all over again. But yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.